Hi everyone, I'm Chris D. Renault, creator of Renault Family Content. Shall we go? Come and sing with me.
The manners train is coming through. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Let's learn something kind and sweet. When I want a toy or treat, I use my words so kind and neat. I look up high and say with ease, please. Can you say it with me? Please, please, please.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kind words make us feel so good.
Yes, they do, yes, they do. Yes, they do, yes, they do.
When someone helps or shares with me, I smile big as big can be. I wave my hand and say right away,
Thank you.
hooray, hooray.
Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kind words make our hearts feel warm like sunshine too. When it's not my turn to play, I take a breath and wait.
Okay.
Sharing toys is kind and fun. Everyone gets a turn.
Hands are gentle, voices too.
I use calm words. So can you.
If I feel mad or sad inside,
I stop. Breathe. Then try again.
Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
we are kind, we are polite.
Every day.
Hooray!
Choo choo, the manners train says.
You did great today.